Hello guys, so today we are going to do modal analysis in ANSYS 18.1. So first of all I will tell you what is modal analysis. Let's say if you have designed a part or and you want to perform the modal analysis because of some forces are going to act on it in the real time conditions, so it's a tendency to vibrate on its natural frequency. So a part has unlimited natural frequencies and unlimited mode shapes, so that's what we are going to study today. And because whenever a object vibrates at its natural frequency, there are going to be a mode shape. So it has unlimited mode shapes. So today we will do the modal analysis of that thing only, so that we can reduce the vibrations. Go to modal. And one more thing, while designing the part I designed it in the mm, SolidWorks and saved it in the format of Parasolid format. So what happens in Parasolid format, the material that I have provided in the SolidWorks will retain its properties in the ANSYS, so I do not have to provide it separately in the ANSYS. So it is already uploaded in the RAM. So now right click on the model, edit, and I will get the mechanical window. See, here is my geometry. I can see there is already the tick, it means material is defined. Go to mesh, insert, sizing, select the body, apply. I am going to give 5 mm mesh size, which is 0.005 in meters. Generate mesh. I have got my mesh, so it is mesh. Now we have to go to the insert, fix geometry, face selection, select the face, apply. Now these are the number of modes, how many modes we are going to find. So for the faster result I will select 4 modes. Solve this. Now I have got the 4 natural frequencies. First two are same and other two are same. See, if I want to see the deformation on them, then I have to right click on any one of the frequency. At this frequency, particular frequency, how much deformation I am getting. In solution we also have to add the total deformation, that I forgot. We can add it now. Solve it again. Now select the natural frequency, anyone. I will select the third one, left click, right click, sorry, right click on the total deformation 3 and evaluate the results. See, so this is the behavior that's going to happen our structural member when it will be vibrating at this. So actually this will be the mode shape. There is a different mode shape for different natural frequency. So this mode shape I will get the third natural frequency. So if you like the video, please share it and subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubts, uh, write them in the comment section. I will reply to your queries. Thank you.